24 years ago, we went to bed hoping for sweet dreams, only to wake up to a nightmare. As we watched the horrible events unfold on September 11th, 2001, we were filled with heartbreak, fear, and dread. But amidst that fear rose love and kindness and unity. 9/11 Day was created to honor that spirit of kindness, to remember the love that shined through the darkness. Each year, millions of people all over the world join together in acts of service, rekindling the spirit of unity that brought Americans together in the days following the 9/11 tragedy. May we never forget those who lost their lives and those who courageously served, and may we honor them through acts of love and service.